Hello Dr. Kohi, I'm Daniel and I'm going to present to you simple interest. So what is simple interest actually? If a sum of money is invested for a time period at an interest rate per period. So let us go to the formula of interest, simple interest. So simple interest formula is I equals to PRT. So I is interest, P is principal, R is annual interest rate, and T is time. Note that the time management for R and T must agree. So example of simple interest such as car loan and short-term personal loans. So next we are going to the meaning of future value. So what is actually the meaning of the future value? The future value amount of an investment or its future value at the end of an interest period is the sum of the principal and the interest. So let us go to the formula of future value. So future value, or you can let us go to the formula of future value. So future value, or you can call it as a loan, is S equals P plus I, which is P is the principal and I is the interest.
Hello everyone, my name is Ibrahim Asad Sharif and today I'll be talking about compound interest. So compound interest is a method of paying interest whereby the interest of each period is added to the principal before it is calculated for the next period. So this means that unlike simple interest, which is a fixed amount for each period, the value of compound interest will increase for each period of interest accumulated onto it, meaning the future value of compound interest will always keep rising up as the periods go by. So, compound interest can be calculated in three different ways, which is interest compounded annually, periodically, and continuously. And interest is considered to be compounded annually when there's only one period of compounding per year. So here's the formula for interest compounded annually. And the future value S is equal to P 1 plus R to the power N, where the R stands for the interest rate and N is the number of years taken into account. So the next type of compounding is interest compounded periodically. When this is when there's two or more periods of compounding per year, and the formula for this is just a second. S is equal to P 1 plus I to the power N, where I stands for R over M, interest rate over number of months per year, and N is equal to M times T, where M is again the number of months taken into account per year, and T is the total number of years. So the next type of interest is interest compounded continuously, and this is when every moment of time is taken into account when compounding your interest. So the formula for this is S equal to P exponential function to the power RT. Yeah, P is the principal value, R is the interest rate, and T is the number of years. Alright, so that will be all for my part. Thank you very much for listening.
Good morning everyone. Today I want to present the present value of the annuities. Present value of the annuities is the current value of future value payments from an annuity given a specified rate of return. There are three types of present value of annuity. They are ordinary annuity, annuities due, and deferred annuities. For ordinary annuities, it is the money they paid in end of each period. The formula of ordinary annuity is R times 1 minus 1 plus I power to negative n divided by I. N is M times T, where I equal to R divided by M. The second one is the annuities due. It is the money they pay in beginning of each period. The formula of annuities due equal to R times 1 minus 1 plus I power to negative n divided by I, then times by 1 plus I. It also can wrote in the ordinary due times 1 plus I. The last one is the deferred annuities, that the money that can pay in any time but not beginning and the end. The formula for deferred annuities equal to R times 1 minus 1 plus I power to negative n divided by I times 1 plus I power to negative k. The example for the present value of annuities is retirement, planning, lottery prize, and court settlement. Thank you, everyone.
Hello, I'm Hao Ho Sang. Today I'm going to talk about future value of annuities. In Malaysia, annuity is called EPF. So EPF is when you start work, then the company will deduct your salary just for it. The future value of annuities can be divided into two ways: ordinary annuities and annuities due. Ordinary annuities is the payment made at the end of each period. However, the annuities due is the payment made at the beginning of each period. The formula of ordinary annuities present value is the amount deposit times 1 minus 1 plus I power of minus n divide interest. So the opposite annuities due is just the same. The formula of ordinary annuities present value but times again 1 plus I power of minus k. The ordinary annuities of future value is amount deposit times 1 plus interest bracket n period power then minus 1 divided by interest. So the annuities due same again, ordinary annuities but times again 1 plus interest. So that is for the future value of annuities. Thank you.
Good morning, Dr. Kohi. My name is Ong Shen Wen, and I'm going to explain about loan. Loan is a sum of money that is borrowed by an individual or business from a lender, while unpaid balance of a loan is the outstanding principal of a loan. The formula of unpaid balance of a loan is this one. So R is payments per period, I is the interest rate, and n minus k is the remaining payments. So this formula is used to calculate how much money left that we have to return to the person. So that's all from me. Thank you.
So my name is Vincent, and today I will present about the amortizations. So amortizations is the process of amortizing a loan into a series of fixed payment. So you can also know that it's a repayment of all payment, including principal and interest on an amount. So the interest charge becoming smaller and smaller over the payment schedule. So the purpose of an amortization loan is pay off the balance of the loan within a specific period of time. So for the formula of amortizations is, for the A can be example of a loan, R is example for a monthly payment, and N is for the monthly, for example. So for the last, the application of loan and amortizations can be home mortgage or buying a car, effect of paying an extra amount. So that was the end of our presentation. Thank you for your listening.